guys, thanks for tuning in again. We're on our way to a 48-hour session. We've got Tanya's in the car behind, she's coming down for one night. I don't know if you see her there. They're behind us somewhere. James is already there. He's been baiting up last night and he's started fishing this morning. Not much has been happening by all accounts. We'll wait till we get there. Looking forward to it. We're going to be using a new bivvy, so I'll walk you around that later. Yeah, that's it. See you there.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there.
Names are normally Jones.
I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look back. On my own, I don't know. She told me it's not your fault, but you told me.
Well, we're here. I'm in no rush to get fishing. Take time, get set up, get comfortable, feel about, see how deep it is, get a zig set up for the night, crush out 2 singles, see what happens. That'll be it. Let's get cracking, get set up. Get your note out.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
This is what I have to deal with on a daily basis when I go fishing.
'Cause I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look back, baby, tonight. 'Cause I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look
All done.
How's it looking? How's it feel? Isn't it, yeah?
My bed going in first. James has had one out.
sticks and we're going to mark it out so we get clipping up. Right, and what I've done is I've clipped up on the reel already, so I know where I am. Now we'll count it out how many wraps.
Turn toward me, look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything
12,
said
about
we'd
12
be,
and a quarter
we
wraps.
just traded for us too cold
Okay,
in the
so
tide.
make a mental note, 12 and a quarter wraps. So next time you cast out, or if you're going to cast out a spod or a spawn, put it to 12 and a quarter wraps, and you'll be spodding out something your bait. Alright? Easy as that.
Fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild, 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 wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Okay, so that's a bit large anyway. Yeah. Charming. Sorry, water. Turns his back on me and apologises to his bottle of water. Right guys, we're about to witness something very special. Never ever been seen on TV before. I do believe a bivvy is about to give birth. Shh, everybody be quiet. There it is. It's the birth of a titan.
Oceans ever tore so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away.
Got a single bite yesterday. Not even a knock. 6:30 this morning. It's ripped off. I've not weighed her yet. It's a lot of muscle, I think. Nice fish. It's a low double. Let's get her in the chain. Calm her down. Well, that was a turn up, wasn't it? While the fish is in the retainer, we're gonna sort out the other rod, get it back out there, then we'll get the fish in, give it a bit of a weigh. I know my retainer weighs 3.5 pounds from the water, so it's not a massive one, but it's a good double figure. Nice common, very lean common. And we'll get some photos of it and have a look at it.
Through the fields I still want you. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me. I feel that I've been chasing dreams. Keep holding on to memories.
Well guys, our session's come to an end now. It was a slow start, but it's finished quite dramatically really. 2 really nice carp. Bit of a dodgy bream, unfortunately, but all bream need loving too, don't they? All in all, pretty good session, happy with it. It's been a nice time, great weather. It's nice to fish with James again, nice to have Tanya on the bank with us again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you watch another one. Click subscribe, click like, leave comments. I've got to start getting all of this lot packed up now. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. And those that were wondering, the bivvy held up. That's me done. Bearded Burbler signing off. See you later.